Hello everyone, what's up? Okay, I'm trying to see कि मैं इस कैमरा को कैसे रखूँ. Can you guys see me properly? Okay. बहुत सारे chances है कि ये फ़ोन नीचे गिर जाए, but I hope नहीं गिरे. What's up? Who's online? I'm gonna be doing a Shirley Speaks, and also I'm gonna be telling you guys when Koi Shore will be releasing. So I'm excited. Hi Mohammed. Hi Naman. What's up? Pravesh, Paras, Sunny. Hi. What's up everyone? Yay. So if you guys have any questions that you want to ask me, ask away. I recently did Shirley Speaks on Twitter, and that was awesome. You guys had some really cool questions. So मुझे बताओ यहाँ पर आपको अगर मुझसे बात करनी है तो कोई questions है आपके तो मुझे बताइए. अच्छा, first of all tell me, can you guys hear me? Because मैंने यहाँ window खोली हुई है और मैं shut my phone mode. Don't fall. Yeah, I've opened the window, so I'm sitting by the window, so if you guys can't hear me, like, please tell me. Shane, what's up? Shouldn't you be asleep right now? Why are you watching my video? Just kidding, I love you. For all of you guys who don't know who Shane is, Shane's my brother. He's in New Zealand right now, as are my parents. So I'm missing them quite a bit. आज actually New Zealand में Father's Day था, so happy Father's Day to my dad if he's watching. I've already wished him, but you know, Facebook पर नहीं किया तो it's not official. Okay, awesome stuff. I'm glad that you guys can hear me. So, do you guys have any questions for me? If you have any questions, let me know. Why am I laughing so much? My phone's moving. Shit. I think I should just hold it instead of keeping it like this. Sarthak, when's my next cover coming? So my next video is actually an original, जिसकी release date मैं बताने वाली हूँ इसी video में. So stay tuned. And I'm super excited about it. It's called Koi Shore, as you would have probably noticed by now, hopefully. If not, then abhi aapko pata lag gaya. I'm super excited about it actually. I've worked with some really awesome people on it, so it's cool. I wish actually Ravi और Anirban भी यहाँ पर होते at the moment. उनके साथ में live करने का मज़ा would have been super crazy awesome. Chintan, are you coming to Daman again? Actually, I was gonna come. This is such a funny story. On Friday night, I called up my friend and I was like, are you gonna be in Daman weekend में? Because मैं कल सुबह आ सकती हूँ. And she's like, अरे यार, फिर वो आज जाने वाली थी. But then I thought, it's okay, I'll go some other time. Maybe after the world tour finishes with Arman, I'll come back and then I'll go to Daman. Nareen, thank you. My hair looks messy today. When does it not look messy though? Yusuf, who is your boyfriend? I don't have one. When will you come to Jaipur? Sam Jane. आपका नाम actually Sam है या ये nickname है आपका? I want to come to Jaipur though. Hopefully soon. आप ही बुला लो. कोलकाता मुझे सब जगह जाना है यार. Like, I want to travel all of India and the whole world because I like traveling and I like meeting you guys. So when will you come to India? Ravi, मैं actually India में ही हूँ right now. मैं मुंबई में हूँ, so yeah. So Fawad, hi Fawad. Okay. और किसी को क्वेश्चंस कोई पूछना है? अच्छा कोई एकदम क्रेजी क्वेश्चन है तो वो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हो अभी. आई नो ऐसे रैंडमली मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ कि कोई क्रेजी क्वेश्चन पूछ लो. इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट टू लाइक एक्चुअली थिंक ऑफ क्वेश्चंस व्हेन पीपल आस्क मी अ क्वेश्चन. I don't even know if I'm making any sense right now. Have you ever visited Hyderabad? Yes, I have quite a few times. Actually, I vlogged in Hyderabad too. Oh, Ravi just joined in. Hi, Ravi. आप यहाँ पर मिसिंग हो एक्चुअली. आप यहाँ पर होने चाहिए, लाइक आपको यहाँ पर होना चाहिए और अनिर्बान को यहाँ होना चाहिए. So, for all of you guys who don't know who Ravi is, Ravi has composed कोई शोर जो होने वाला है रिलीज सुन. और yeah, it was like so awesome actually doing the song, and I'm looking forward to hearing about it from you guys कि आपको अच्छा लगा या नहीं and all that. What's your nickname? Syed, I have so many nicknames. Everyone I meet gives me a new nickname. Actually, one of my friends just joined in, Kirushi. उसी ने मुझे ये nickname दिया था, Tiny, which I kind of stuck onto. And at first I was like, why are you calling me Tiny? But then I like it now. So फिर मैंने उसको incorporate कर लिया, you know, in the tiny one with not so tiny dreams. So yeah. Hi Mohammed Dilshan. Komal, hey, what's up? You're beautiful too. Okay, so I think there's quite a few people on here now. मुझे actually आप सबके questions दिख नहीं रहे. As it loads, you know, I can see your questions. But I'm gonna tell you when कोई शोर is releasing. So बता दूँ मैं या वेट करूँ थोड़ा सा. आई थिंक मुझे दूसरे फिल्टर्स ट्राई करने चाहिए. Nah. Okay, we need some good new filters. I don't really like these. Why are your questions not loading? What's wrong? Okay, anyways, so a little bit about Koi Shor. Yesterday, this was really funny. All of you guys were asking for some like lyric hints. So Ravi ne tweet kiya and he wrote some really interesting. He wrote a really interesting tweet. He tweeted the first letter of the words जो song में है, in the first 2 lines of the song. So some of you are actually on the right track. So I don't want to tell you exactly what it is because you're gonna find out soon anyways. But yeah, thank you actually for so much of love on the teaser. मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि आप लोगों को इतना अच्छा लगेगा. But thank you. I had a lot of fun shooting this, and Anirban was great. He has a great vision, worked with some awesome people, even on the sets of YouTube space. That was really, really cool. And yeah, okay, so the song is releasing next week. ये डेट एक्चुअली एक फ़ैन ने सजेस्ट करा था, and it's releasing on the 10th of September, which is next Saturday, which is the coming Saturday. So time मैं नहीं बताऊंगी because I want you guys to be there and, you know, just look forward to it. But I'm super excited about it, and yeah. So it's releasing on the 10th of September 2016, first proper single, and I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. Thank you for so much of love. I love you guys too. I honestly do. And yeah, maybe actually before the release I'll try and see if I can do another Facebook Live, but I'm gonna be in the States when the song releases, so timing देखना पड़ेगा कितने बजे करूँगी and all that, but I'll try my best, or maybe before I leave I'll try and do another one. Yeah, let's see. Anyways, I have to get going now, so I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much for joining in this Facebook Live Shirley Speaks Sesh. But I hope you guys are excited for Koi Shor as much as we are. It's releasing once again on the 10th of September next week this year. Okay, cool. I will see you guys soon. This is me, Shirley, signing off. You guys take care and keep smiling. I love you guys. Bye.